So we are at Angie's stunning car right now, and you are the person who travels probably the most.
40,000 miles a season.
Just for competition?
Just for competition.
And do you use the car for anything else?
Errands. I work from home, so.
Brilliant.
Yeah.
So you see, a lot from this country.
Yeah.
And this is an amazing trunk build. So what can we know about your system?
Oh, okay. So all my speakers are audio frog. I got 312s back here and about 3.5 cubic foot
Nice.
box. Helix amps and processors. 2 4-channels, one for the left, one for the right.
See one in the middle.
Yeah, the
Nice.
single for the subs.
Amazing. And then the ESP is all hidden, or?
Yes.
Oh, look at that, something is happening here. Oh. Okay, so we take the seat. Action time. Wow, that is very tidy, very clean. Easy access to the fuses and to the DSP. And even here, the guys made it.
Yeah, it's pretty.
Really nice. Who built the system?
OTS Audio in Oldsmar, Florida.
Nice. Okay, let's see the front end. Let's see. Oh, action time.
6.5s there. They're sealed, 0.25 cubic.
Okay.
2.5s in the
Dash.
and
Factory
then
location.
The tweeters are here. And then there's 2 up front subs under each seat.
What?
Yeah.
Oh, so that's how you run the functional amplifier. So you have freeway plus
Yeah.
the front subs each side in
Yeah.
stereo. That's crazy. Is there any special reason why the tweeters are kind of hidden in the sail panel?
I
You wanted
like
to keep it
'cause
visually?
I don't like looking at speakers. They kind of disappear if we shut that door. Everything disappears.
I see. Everything
And
for
I don't
ears.
want to.
I like
I
that.
don't like looking at speakers because it's a focal.
Yeah.
I want to hear it and not
You
have.
need an
any
OEM plus category for you.
visual. Yeah.
Yeah, I would love
Well,
that.
the upfront subs put me in a higher class and like Emma and.
Would the mid-bass installation also change the class what you're in? Because that's not a factory location. Or they don't have problem with that?
It's
maybe?
not vented, so
Oh, so there's no structural modification, I see.
not at all. Nothing's ever been cut in this.
I see. What is your source? Oh, somebody's calling.
It's a Pack Amp Pro under my, or where's it? It's
Okay,
over
integrating
here
to the head unit.
Yes, that way I didn't have to tear up my pretty car.
Nice. Any controller for the DSP? Over there, look at that.
Everything's in.
Very well prepared.
Yeah.
All in here. How many years have you been competing for?
I've been competing. I think this is my 4th year. I did compete 1 year in 1999, and then
Wow.
I had a factory system the rest of the time until the last 4 years, and then I went crazy.
Nice.
Because the first year, I think my car got tuned 1 time. I wasn't into it like now. It's crazy.
And it's amazing to see that we have few ladies.
I
Yeah,
love it.
we need more ladies.
Yes.
Yeah, there are too many men.
Because we hear good too, you know.
Wow, you hear better.
We hear real good in the
You're
high
way more.
frequencies.
Yeah, you're way more emotional.
Yeah.
Yeah, and we have nice female judges as well. Yeah, it's. We need more ladies for sure.
Yeah. You want to
Definitely.
hear over here?
Absolutely, I will.
Okay.
We still have a few minutes because I have to stick to like 5 minutes.
Oh, okay.
Then I'm going to ask the question, the big questions. Can you please tell me 2 things that you love about your system?
I like
Something special.
The upfront bass. I'm a little bit of a bass head, but
Nothing wrong with that.
It's up here. Also, this is the depth is right past the windshield.
Nice.
The width is beyond the car,
Nice.
and I like
So you
that.
maximized the dimensions as much as possible.
It's really getting there.
Nice.
Yeah,
And
so-
the other big question, if there was no limitation in terms of installation, no limitation in budget, what do you think you would upgrade?
I'd probably build a car, a system, and then the car. I'd probably get a car, not
Just-
this car.
Yeah,
'cause I
you want to
like
keep
this
it
car.
as is. This is the OEM Plus looking
Well,
slick.
I mean, I'm talking about an older car and just
Okay.
completely gut it and rebuild it for the system.
I see. Nice.
You know, like that
Like the Cadillac.
over
Yeah.
there. Yeah.
I'm gonna go around there, catch that too.
Yeah, that's
Brilliant.
what I do.
Amazing.
And I did just franchise my business, so I might have big money in a few years.
Brilliant. You know what? The passion is just oozing from you, and it's so nice to
love
see.
it.
And yeah, that's why I'm taking these short videos. People can get a bit of inspiration, join these events,
Cool.
and then we can grow the industry and the culture a little bit.
Yes.
Brilliant. Thank you very much.
You're
I'm gonna listen to
welcome.
it after this now.
Okay.